Now let us practice the imparfait. Here I have given you 3 sentences that are in the present tense. Mettez les phrases à l'imparfait. We are going to make these sentences into imparfait, that is past continuous. The only thing we need to change here is the verb. So in the first sentence, nous regarderons la télévision. We watch the television. So we write nous and our verb is regarderons. You can, now what is the infinitive of this? Regarder, right? And how do we find the stem? We write the nous conjugation for this. It is regardons. And we remove ons and replace it with the endings. Now the subject here is nous. And what is the imparfait ending for nous? It is ions. Right? So nous regardions la télévision. So the imparfait is simple, you just need some practice. Now moving on to the next sentence. Vous avez des amis. You have some friends. Now our subject remains the same and the verb here is avoir. Avoir. What verb is it? It is the avoir verb. Right? It is the avoir verb. Now when you write this verb in the nous conjugation, it is avons. Right? I hope you remember. I told you this is a very important verb. So now avons, we remove ons and add our endings. So what is the subject here? Vous. And what is the ending in imparfait for vous? It is iez. So a v iez. Vous aviez des amis. Vous aviez des amis. So here also there is a slight change. We only added I. So it makes a big difference in the meaning. So our last sentence. Vas-tu visiter la France? Now in this sentence, what is our verb? It is v and the subject is tu. Now v is the conjugation of what verb? It is the vouloir verb. Vouloir means to want. Now when you write this in the nous conjugation, it is voulons. Voulons. So why are we writing it in the nous conjugation? We want to find out the stem, and we find the stem by writing it in the nous conjugation and removing ons. So we remove ons and add our endings. And in this case, what is the subject? It is tu. So for tu, the ending is ais. So voulais. Voulez tu, and we write the sentence as it is. Visiter la France. So this is how we write the imparfait. We just replace the verb with the imperfect conjugation. We find the stem and the endings. The endings we write in agreement with the subject pronoun. So I hope you have understood the use of the imperfect or the past continuous.